Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be revealing last week's poll results so that we can make slime with the ingredients that you guys choose. Before we start off, let's try to get to 100 subscribers so that we can have that slime giveaway. And enough with all of this talking, let's get into the slime making. Here are the poll results for the glue. Clear glue won with 47%, skull glue had 31%, and glue all had 21%. So we are going to use some clear glue. And I'm going to start off by dumping the clear glue into the bowl. So I kind of used the wrong glue as the one that I used in the poll video. So I'm just going to add like 3 different glues into the slime. So for the color, blue has 76%. So that is what we are going to dye our slime with. So I'm going to use this blue food coloring and it is like running low. So I'm just going to squeeze the whole bottle into the glue. Next results were for scent, and berry lemonade won with 58%, and this was a very close race with lavender vanilla. So I'm just going in with this hand sanitizer. And then I went in with my activator gradually. And here's some ASMR with the slime already activated. The next results were for the add-in, so filler beads won with 76%, whereas microfoam beads had 23%. So I'm going to add in these like clear vase fillers into the slime. Here is how the slime turned out in the end. I really like the texture of this slime and it is really cute. So comment down below what you want this slime to be named. Since you guys chose the ingredients, you guys get to choose the name of this slime. So I should stop talking and let you guys hear the ASMR. Next results were only for white glue, which is why I didn't incorporate it. The thick one was 68%, but like I said, this was only for white glue. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming and editing this video, and the slime turned out really great. So remember to comment down below, what do you want this slime to be named? Because like I said earlier, you guys made it. You guys get to decide the name of this slime. So here are today's subscriber shoutouts. If you want a shout out, all you have to do is comment down below #subbed and also subscribe to my channel so that we can reach 100 subscribers. Remember to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already for that giveaway, turn post notifications on to be notified whenever I upload, and comment any video suggestions. Bye!